Okay, here we go. This is the project. This is a 1936 International. I bought this truck roughly 25 years ago. I never really worked on it. About a year after I bought it, I got married and started having kids. Disassembled it, shoved it into the rafters of a small garage, and there it sat. I never really started working on it until my kids were grown. Here's the inside. Solid oak floor. It's the original dash. New gauges. Original steering wheel. Column. This original parking brake. Oh, the rear end, General Motors 12 bolt. I want this thing focus. There. GM 12 volt. Come out of a 66 Chevy van. It's got the 6 lug axle. It's the biggest axle you could get without going to a dual rear wheel. Here's the fuel system, electric pump, filter. Plumbed everything in 1/2 inch. So worried about going lean with this supercharger. Bed's not quite done. Gonna finish it with a Rhino liner. Still need glass, some odds and ends. There's the old motor, old mock-up motor. Here's the new one. This is a GM Performance crate motor. It's supposed to be 390 horse. And I built the WEON 177 on top. It is geared right now, I think, 7-to-1, make about 7 or 8 pounds of boost. Everything goes well, we're going to gear it into overdrive and may get around 13 pounds boost. Hopefully get it over 500 horsepower. Got the windshield in the house. The whole front axle is original equipment, other than the new hydraulic shocks. You fit disc brakes to the old spindles. Original kingpins, drag link, regular spring and ball, tie rods. Original steering box. So the project at hand today is to get it started. Let's pray for some luck. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, that's a lot of gas.